Hi guys, my name is Audrey. Today we're gonna do rock painting. So we need paints and we need
cotton tips
and toothpicks and a brush and anything that you can eat if you're hungry.
What do you like?
I'm eating Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops. Okay. And you need a rock.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's start.
So what are you drawing today?
A unicat.
A
unicat.
A unicat. And that's what?
And that's what I did earlier.
Earlier. Okay. So can you show people what it is?
It's a unicat, but I haven't done the horn and face yet. And we're gonna do it right now.
Okay. So it's a cat. A unicat is a cat with a horn. Okay. And what else did you draw on the rock?
2 love hearts, 2 stars, and some dots.
And some dots. Okay. So what are you gonna do first?
The face.
The face. Okay. Oh, you need to open the paint?
Yeah. Okay, now let's paint the face.
So you're using a toothpick?
Yeah.
And what color paint is that?
Gray.
Gray? Okay. What are you doing first?
The nose.
The nose? You're doing the whiskers?
Yeah.
It looks what? Pretty bad. Need some help? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now can I record you doing it?
You want to record me? Just wait.
Now.
Okay.
Go!
Okay. I'm just helping Audrey fix up her whiskers with the silver paint. So 3 whiskers on that side. Three whiskers on this side. And okay, I'm gonna do a nose. And use this. And your nose. And I'm gonna do a mouth.
Let me see. Okay. Dad, we did the ears, right?
Yeah, but just inside.
Okay. Just wait until it's done.
Now we have to wait for it to dry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the horn yellow.
Amazing!
Could open it. Can you make it bigger
Bigger.
and pointier?
Look at that.
And pointier? More? Yeah, like that. Okay, good one. Should we let it dry now?
Can you make it straight? Can you use the middle?
See the other side. Here's the other side. Yeah.
A little bit.
Nice one. Shall we let it dry?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, guys, my dad helped me outline my unicat, and this is what it turned out like. And leave the comment below and let us know what you're going to paint on your rock. Bye.
Yep.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you on our next video.